Today we are back with the new video. So today also I am going to take a review video of Mr. Rubit. Okay, so he is from Bangladesh. So Rubit, you share some our hair transplant experience. We did surgery yours yesterday. So just please tell me the experience, how you feel here.
Actually, I feel very comfortable when I come here. First time when I come here, just like a newcomer, I feel little bit nervous because of the surgery thing, because I never experienced such thing like that before. So but after when Dr. Vikas started the surgery, I feel like I'm in a friendly zone. I feel like I'm in my home and there's nothing to worry about at all.
Oh, okay, great. So how you feel before, like how you lost your hair, how many years before you lost, then how you decided you have to go for a hair transplant surgery? Just can you please explain?
Okay. So actually, I'm a student of Bachelor of Business and Administration at Malaysia from the University of GUC, Geomedica University College. During that time, I actually experienced the procedure of hair loss, extreme hair loss. That time I switched many places. I never stayed in one place. Yeah. I switched in many places. Just like, for example, I stay in Kuala Lumpur. Then after 2 months I switch in Petalinjaya, some area of that place. So that time the water and other environment didn't suit my hair and my health as well. So I feel sick, and also my hair fall extremely badly, very bad, in very bad condition. This became very bad condition for my hair. I cannot explain that one. So after that I searched in internet how to stop the hair fall, basically. So I see there are a lot of to try onion juice, a lot of hair products, and a lot of natural things, but didn't work for me anyway. So after that, whenever I search for a permanent solution of this one, I go through hair transplant thing. I discovered the hair transplant thing. After that, I also discovered that this thing is also very costly, very not cheap that much, so not affordable that much. So that's why I search for a cheaper place and comfortable and reliable place for doing this. So after that, I recently heard that my uncle does a hair transplant from Kolkata. So I picked the address and I just started searching about this one. I started studying about this one. So Million Dharma is a very new place, but after I do the surgery by myself, now I can say that I recommend everyone that everyone should come here and try the hair transplant procedure. At least you can experience the better thing.
So you listen that how he saw that or his mama done hair transplant here before, and he already told that so many places he went there for studies, and also due to water problem and some other problems he lost the hair, and he researched a lot of in YouTube, and also actually his mama had done here surgery, so that he came here. And so how you feel during surgery, Rubit? Just tell me how you feel. Any pain? You got any pain or something?
Before the injection, yeah, during the time of injection I feel a little bit pain of injecting the injection, but after that, honestly saying, I didn't feel anything in my head going on. What's going on in my head? I didn't feel anything, honestly saying.
So before he little bit suffered, little bit anxiety also while during surgery, but after surgery he feel very comfortable. So you feel very comfortable during surgery?
Yeah, of course. In fact, I also talk with Mr. Sir Vikas a lot during the surgery, for honestly saying, and also he's very friendly. Whenever you come, I recommend you to do your surgery from Mr. Sir Vikas, because he's very friendly man, and he's very friendly guy, I can say.
So you already listened to the comment of Mr. Robert. He is giving very good comments. So we expect that you will get a very good hair growth like after 5 or 6 months. So you will suggest to people that he come here and do the hair transplant surgeries?
Yeah. First of all, I never recommend something that that ever goes wrong with me or never experienced by myself. I never suggest that one. But this one, you can already see in my head. I experienced by myself, and also I feel really comfortable. And I think this one is the best procedure I've ever seen on YouTube and other places. So I think you guys should come Milia and Derma Clinic in Kolkata. And also meet Cervicus before your surgery, and I think you should come here for your surgery, hair transplant at least.
So thank you, Robert, Mr. Robert. Thank you so much for your good comment. So I want to tell you the viewers that you have listened his comment. Is giving very good comment. So if you have any doubt, any comments or any questions, you can question. You can ask our questions, or you can inbox in our comments. That is your YouTube channel. Will you always your answers will you always ready to give your answer. Okay. So for today.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all notification automatically. Thank you.